Hello make peoples, it's Julian and I have another one of those videos where I show you old stuff that I made a long time ago. I made this, or what's underneath here, a very long time ago, and I made it because a very long time ago I made a drawing, a sketch. I wanted to make some kind of creature that has light bulbs for eyes. That was the basic first idea, and this is what came afterwards. It is fueled by my love for props and set design and stop motion and creatures. The reason why it's so packed up is because it involves feathers and paper mache, and it has a very long nose that is kind of fragile. So that's why for storage I wrapped it up like a newspaper mummy. So let me show you. There are the feathers. That's what we have. A nice bird-like monster creature with chicken feet and large breasts and very short arms with weird fingers and a skull for the back of the head and light bulbs for eyes. This moving mouthpiece. Feathers on the head, actually feathers from my sister's first pet or second pet, her bird. We have pubic hair under the arms and in the crotch, and we have a big hole for the belly button. And then I made, it just fell down, then I made this parasitic worm that you can put here in the belly button, and then there's a wire in the end, so through the back, which is open, you can move you can move this parasite around. Yeah, you see here's this open back. The reason why it's shaped like this is because I had this box with batteries that you can slide in here, and the cables went up the neck inside, and then there were lights inside behind the light bulbs, an LED, and because they are so like milky bluish from the inside, these light bulbs, you could make the lights light up. Yeah, I haven't seen this thing in a while myself because I had it in storage, and I need to fix the neck because it's always like falling in because the paper mache is too weak. But I think I still have the same acrylic paint that I painted here, so maybe I could bondo it up from the outside or use more paper mache or do some fancy structure from the inside and then paint over it again. I absolutely want to keep it intact and maybe put lights back in again, maybe do some motorized stuff with the teeth or something like that, or put a fog machine in or do some really funny stuff with this. I made this skull actually by taking a real skull and putting paper mache in the front, letting it dry, taking it off, and then kind of eyeballing the back and free sculpting this bone part here and this upper tooth row. Yeah, the most things are paper mache. I actually started those breasts with like mini balloons, like water bombs. I don't know if that's what it's called in English. In German we call them water bombs. Tiny balloon that you fill with water and can throw at people in the summer. It's very fun. So I paper mache'd them, popped the balloon inside, and then I had this left. I think for the tummy I also did a big balloon. Then this I formed off a mask, this traditional, well-known, famous Venetian mask. And the legs were like paper cups, single-use cups, and in the fingers I used a bit air drying clay, as you can see, like with these knuckles, and in between there's wire and aluminum foil, and you know, my standard technique of sculpting everything. Yeah, it's absolutely a wonderful piece. I love it. It will always have a very special place in my heart. I think this light blue area around the eyes kind of reminds me of Donald Trump. Well, so I don't know if I'm going to put this back in storage or put it on the shelf, but I'm glad that I could finally show it to you. I had it in my very first channel trailer a long time ago, but I didn't explain anything about it. I didn't make a video about it. But now you know. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this new style of video that I'm putting in there, out there every now and then, where I show you old stuff. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to build, other videos you want me to make. I see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you. Goodbye.